Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. If your internet is fast but downloads are slow, this video will help you. Let's start. First, restart your Wi-Fi router. Then restart your Windows 11 PC. This fixes many temporary issues. Open Settings. Click Network and Internet. Select Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Turn meter connection off. Press Windows R. Type netsepark applicable and press Enter. Right-click your active network. Click Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Select Use the following DN server addresses. Click OK and close all windows. Open Settings. Click Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Click Reset. Now, start your PC. Now try downloading again. Your download speed should be faster. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.